Hope you guys are enjoying your day. We got a lot of crashes on this one, a lot of crazy close calls. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's check out today's chaos. Now at the time this rider was inexperienced, so if we go back and look at it a little bit slower, you can see that he grabbed the front brake, causing him to go down. Now the rider was okay because he was wearing full gear, and the cause of this one was oil on the road.
Yeah, I'm okay. I just slipped out.
This is why you have to stay alert when you're on a motorcycle. This rider was on a busy freeway when he had two back-to-back close calls. This rider was trying to keep up with the rider in front, but he was going a little too fast when he took the turn.
Woo. Yeah, I'm good.
Keep your eyes on the rider up ahead. She's about to have her first motorcycle crash. Let me know in the comments why you think she went down.